Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga guys. Para sa video na to, itutur ko po kayo sa the Brady House by LeBlanc, located dito sa may Balibago, Angeles City. So tara, send natin dito. So ayun guys, as soon as you come in, dito po sa pinaka main entrance nila, meron tayo ditong one car park. Actually, meron siyang parking sa likod, which is very spacious. 12 to 15 cars pwede siyang mag-accommodate. So pasok tayo dito. And this is how it looks like. So ito yung pinaka living room area, a little dining area dito, at saka yung ating kitchen sink. So dito guys, you notice, ayan, you have a very large LCD TV for your entertainment. You can either watch your YouTube or of course, ano ba, Netflix, di ba? So meron tayong tatlong rooms dito. We're gonna go first to the main or the master's bedroom. Dito siya. Have your cabinet, it has a safe, ito, and a little working area dito. Plus, ito yung king size bed natin. So this is very spacious. It's actually around 35 square meters. So para siyang malaking condo. Okay, so this has its own toilet and bath. So nga pala, you can connect to the internet. Meron tayong access dito for the entire place. So this one is the master's bedroom. It's fully air-conditioned. So let's go to the next two rooms. So this is the place where it connects both of the two remaining rooms dito po sa villa number 1. So it has two villas pala. So later on, puntahan natin yon. What I like about this room, although it's small comparing it with the master's bedroom, meron siyang access or view sa ating pool area. So later on, pupuntahan natin yon. And then, the other two rooms dito nga sa villa number 1 has their own toilet and bathroom, which is this one. Alright, so since nandito na rin tayo, so let me just show you the other room or the third room dito sa villa number 1. And same as its kabing room, meron siyang access dito sa pool area. Dito pala guys, kompleto tayo ng mga kitchen utensils. So we have plates, mga cutleries, and some plates and cups din, or mugs. Ayan. It has coffee maker, and of course, refrigerator. Dito yung ating sink, and yung ating cooking area. But I suggest, meron tayong mas malaking kitchen doon. Later on, papakita natin. Doon kayo magluto. Okay, so coming out from the Villa 1, this is an outdoor dining area. Ayan. So, ang gandahan dito, right after you swim, ayan, diretso dito. Hindi na mababasahin sa loob. Okay, I wanna show you dun sa pool area natin. This is the pool area. If you notice, nasa gitna talaga siya. And may access yung dalawang villa natin. So, it's very inviting. And guys, so kanina dito tayo nagsimula. Dito tayo nag-introduce. Dito sa likuran natin, meron tayong pocket garden. It's full of cactus. And I think it's very unusual for that kind of garden dito sa atin, di ba? So, entertaining din. Ito yung sinasabi kong dining area and kitchen area din natin. So you can cook here. This is preferably where you prepare your dishes. Dito na rin kakain. Ito naman villa number 2. Alright, so welcome dito sa ating villa number 2. So medyo papanik siya. Medyo may feel siya ng balcony. Meron tayo dito ang dalawang seater na, outdoor living room. Going here, ito yung isa sa mga rooms dito. So notice meron tayong dalawang single beds. And again, air-conditioned. So all rooms po natin dito are air-conditioned. And then dito rin sa villa, meron tayong common CR. Ayan. So no problem, get your CR. And then another room is this one. What I like about it is good naman siya for a couple or siguro a family of 3 if you have smaller or medyo bata pa na anak. So dito rin, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Okay, so going to the last room, there you go. So this one is actually a lot bigger, but if you notice, meron tayong dalawang solo bed dito for the accommodation. But what's good about this, again, it's very spacious. Meron pa tayong isang toilet and bathroom. Okay, so let's go outside. I want to show you more kung ano yung mga amenities nila dito. So I think this is, we're coming to the towards the near of the video. If you notice guys, sa likuran natin, ito yung parang pinaka-open area. So you can actually use this for your events. Meron lang tayong, of course, corkage fee dahil gagamitin natin dito yung mga kuryente for your sound system, something like that. No? So, but just in case you are interested to use this for your event, check out their fan page to know more. Plus, meron tayong shaded area in which dito kinonvert nila into a sports area. So you can have your basketball dito, probably a badminton or a volleyball. At least it's covered, no, whether rain or shine, meron po kayong sports activity dito. And guys, I hope this video is useful to you, and if it is, please share it with your friends and give this video a like naman po. So if you're interested to know more about yung mga prices as well as the booking dates, ayun, check out the fan page we're gonna be including below. But to give an idea, so it's 15,000 pesos, you can actually start to book or use yung pong isa sa mga villas natin dito. But if I were you, get the entire place. This is gonna be all yours for us 30,000 pesos only. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one. Cheers!